Hey, it's Tim from Booth.Events. Today we're super excited to announce our new Google Nanobot AI integration. So we call that AI Custom Prompt. It allows you to do AI with group photos, and it allows you to create your own prompts. And these are two things that are the most asked for over the last year from us. So less talking, more demo. Let's go. All right, Jamie, get in here. We're gonna do a photo. So in this flow, first we take the photo. That's different from AI Portrait, where we choose the filter first. In this flow, first we take the photo. Then I'm going to confirm that the photo looks good. Well, Jamie looks good, I'm okay. And now we have the choice of all the filters that we've assigned to the template. That's just the same as AI Portraits work today. So I'm going to pick one that has more than one person. I'm going to choose the tulip field there. And just like our AI Portrait feature today, this is quite quick. It's immediately available at the iPad. You don't need another iPad as a sharing station to get the result. Bam. That was less than 6 seconds. There's me and Jamie. It's put Jamie in a hat and a raincoat, and I've got a much nicer looking shirt, and we're happily gallivanting through the tulip fields. If I don't like this, I can just hit re-roll to generate another image. And as soon as this image comes up, I can again vet whether I like it or not. There, that's better. I like this one better because I've got my Booth.Events shirts and Jamie's got his Booth.Events shirt. And this time it's kept Jamie's necklace, which is also great. Okay, so now you know how it looks like, and it works with groups of up to 6 people in our testing really well. And as Google continues to improve its engines, it will get better. But let's go and see the back end about how we make these things. So I'm gonna just zip over to Safari. And you can see that we have a new custom AI prompts page with all of the prompts that I've made. I'm gonna go just quickly show you the one that we just did. Create a photo where the people in the first photo are gallivanting through a Dutch tulip field. Great, awesome. Okay, that's how easy it is. Now, I wanna show you a more advanced example where we use reference images in the prompt. So in this one, it says, create a photo with the people playing a game of soccer in a big stadium full of fans. All of the soccer players are wearing the jersey from the second photo. Now, what's the second photo? Well, that's a reference image. Reference images allow you in your prompt to use static images and apply them into the generated AI image. In this example here, what I've done is I've uploaded several images, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, of soccer jerseys, or football as we like to call them in Europe. The best team being on the end, Crystal Palace, obviously. And what our app does is it takes one of these images from this set at random every time. I don't have to go back to the app. I can test this right here and show you what it looks like. One of the great things about this is you can do the demo right in the app. So I'm gonna choose this example of the woman and hit test prompt. And now, in a few seconds, I'm gonna have a generated test image. What it's going to do is it's going to create the image with my prompt, and that prompt is also going to use one of those soccer jerseys. Which one it is random. Okay, there are our lovely ladies. Looks like we got the Chelsea jersey. I am not a Chelsea fan, so I'm gonna hit that again. And a few seconds later, there we go. What a lucky shot. Now we have the ladies in Crystal Palace gear, and I feel much more comfortable because that's the best team in the world. Okay, when you do this, when you set this up, you can choose which image is used for each of the male and female previews. So I'm gonna hit this use test image here, and now that last test image I generated is going to be thrown into the preview. We're going to change some of this experience and this UI later. We're in beta right now, and I'll talk more about that in a second, but we're going to keep this functionality. Okay, now when the female preview is shown in the app, it'll use this image. Okay, well, the astute viewers will say, well, how did it know whether to use the female or the male preview in the app? Because there were no gender selection buttons. This is an improvement over our existing flow in AI Portrait. First of all, the gender is automatically detected. You no longer have to press a button. Second of all, when we show the previews, we run a gender detection model on the photos taken. We take the largest face, and if we think it's female, we show the female images, and if we think it's male, we show the male images. So if you choose the male previews and the female previews, and you set them up correctly, that allows your guests to see an experience that's as closely tailored to them as it can be. We're super excited to announce that this is coming out. This whole system, this Google Nano Banana integration, is coming out mid-October. We're going to start a beta for specific customers in about a week from today, which will be the 7th or 8th of October, and we expect by the 15th of October that we will make this publicly available. I'm pumped to see what you guys make with it. I hope you're having a great year. We'll see you soon.